Hello children, welcome to Fun and Learn channel. Here you can learn new things with stories.
Come on children, let's listen to the story of letter O. One sunny morning, Olive the otter woke up feeling super silly. I want an adventure today, she squeaked. Olive put her little red hat on and set off by the sea. First, she met Ollie the octopus, who was turning his bubble machine on and off. Want to play? He asked. Only if I can press the button, giggled Olive. On, off, they laughed as bubbles filled the sky. Next, they saw Oscar the ostrich running in circles with an orange balloon tied to his tail. Watch out, he cried. The balloon goes off like a rocket if I run too fast. Whoosh! The balloon flew up and they all cheered. They all went to Oma the owl's omelette cafe. Oma flipped a big fluffy omelette with olives, cheese and mushrooms. Yum, said Olive. Best omelette on earth. After a fun-filled day, Olive took her red hat off, snuggled by the sea and whispered, "On or off, adventures are always better with friends." Hope you enjoyed the story. Time to learn words from letter O, which makes the sound O. Orange or olive. You know, orange is also a fruit and it's also a color. On or off. See, the light is going on, off. Octopus or otter. You know, octopus has 3 hearts and the color of his blood is blue.
Ostrich or owl. Did you know ostrich is the fastest bird, but it can't fly? Or orangutan or omelette.
Time to learn how to write O. It's very simple. Go round, close the mouth. Isn't it easy? Let's try one more time. Go round, close the mouth. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. So please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.